we're really glad that you have signed up and will be joining us for the upcoming South London Applied Research Collaboration and King's College London Maternity and Perinatal Mental Health Patient and Public Involvement Engagement Group. Wow, what a mouthful. So essentially, this is going to be a group of researchers and academics and community members. It's been inspired and co-created in response to some of the discussions and the previous meetings we had at the South London ARC, which is Applied Research Collaboration, PPIE, which is Patient and Public Involvement and Engagement Group. So we met in October last year and we were discussing some of the challenges and the barriers that health researchers have got in their work, often when they're trying to engage with diverse communities. We discussed a lot about the importance of building trust and using established community networks, social media, and how this can work within the research process and research culture. We're really keen to explore this further. And we want to learn from people's experiences of doing this work or trying to do this sort of work. And then from that, we'd like to create a short blog and a simple tool that we can share and help researchers. So if you've signed up to the event or this workshop, this is what you're in for. We're inviting members of the community, maternity researchers, to explore what you perceive as some of the challenges and the solutions that we have in engaging diverse communities within maternity research and patient public involvement. We're going to be introducing you to and using some participatory action research approach called Participatory Appraisal. So essentially this will be a peer-led and facilitated session where we're going to be using fun, some creative activities to explore the key themes that have started to come up when we've discussed this. So some of the key themes we think are likely to come up and that we'd be keen to explore are how researchers work with diverse communities, how we share power when we're doing this, and how we overcome any barriers or challenges to patient and public involvement within research systems and culture. Catherine is one of our Participatory Appraisal peer researchers. Can you tell us a little bit more about what people can expect from the workshop?
Hi, my name is Catherine Mutoni. Excited about the upcoming event workshop on Zoom. I will be facilitating with my colleagues in the back breakup rooms. We will be using the Jamboard on Google for our activities. It is going to help us facilitate to workshop. It's very easy to use. We will be having 15 minutes to play with it before the session starts. We look forward to seeing you.
And Vita, do you want to explain a little bit about who people can expect to see at the session? Who's going to be there?
Hello, my name is Vita Moltedo, and I'm really excited to participate in this event. I have worked with participatory appraisal before, and I found it an excellent tool, which is collaborative. It brings around storytelling. It gives people the opportunity to talk about their hopes and fears in a collaborative and a co-production way. And this is going to be a really diverse group, which is exciting. This session will be facilitated by members of the Maternity Voices Matter group, who are all recent service users who have been involved in community research and using participatory appraisal. Also, we will have members of voluntary community and social enterprises and researchers from British universities such as King's College London. So we'll have academics and researchers mainly from King's College and from the South London Applied Research Collaboration, as well as members of the community and representatives of community groups such as Best Beginnings, Mommy's Day Out, local maternity voice partnerships members, and founding members of the 5 Times More campaign.
Fantastic. Thanks, Rita. So we really look forward to seeing you at the session. We will be sending out, attached to this video, the agenda for the day that will have your link to the Jamboard. So please feel free to have a little click through and have a look at it. We will be sending out the Zoom link so that you can join us. And yeah, we will look forward to it. If you've got any questions or you're not sure about whether this is the right session for you, just let us know, and someone from the team, it might be Sergio or Mary or myself, Emily, Catherine or Vita, we can have a chat with you beforehand and explain more about it. We look forward to seeing you there.